Hi folks, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to explain the how to set up our robo vacuum cleaner for Mop-P. So they are giving a user manual. So using that I am installing the process and setup process I have given. So I have followed these steps. So if you briefly see, right, so here they are explaining like who has neat explanation or neat knowledge on how to use, then only they have to use. And we should not use the sharp objects to collect like nails or something like that. So small objects, also sharp objects, we should not collect in this device. As well as they are mentioning like while cleaning the mop tray, so with dustbin like that we can say, so that will be cleaned and we have to clean with the water. Okay, so the pressure also we have to use. So they have given this step, right? So we have to remove from this sand, you see. So we need to clean up this with water. So if you cleaned with water, right, you have to wait for drying this fully, then only we have to use it. So they have one more layer also here, so it will collect all the dust here, dust particles. So let's fix it inside this. So this is one object, so which is used for only for cleaning purpose, it will collect the dust particles only. So we have one more option also, like water filling. So I will show you. So we have to press here and we have to pull outside upward direction. Okay, we should not to do like this side, this left and right side, front and back side like that, but we should only like keep up direction only. So if you see here, so this is a one more equipment they have given. So here we have to fill the water, so inside. So if you see is up to here only the line, if you see the line, so up to this part only, so we have to use. So they have given the how to clean and how to do this. So they have telling that we have a brush also. So if you see here, so there is a brush, so which we can use to clean up what is inside of this product. So they have strictly said that if you want to clean up the device, these parts, right, so you have to unplug, or you have to clean whenever you want to clean, right. So you should not charge this. Okay, so it's strictly prohibited. So this is the place where its dust particles will be suction, so we have to place this in down direction. So I'm just keeping this. Okay, so once I have set up this process, then I will show in another video how to it's working. So they have given some parts like this is a one more cleaning cloth, so we can use. So the cleaning cloths and so many products they have given, so they are giving the details about this also. So one is like a wet mop pad, so this is one is a wet mop pad, and one more is like a moist mop pad also they have given. So we have to arrange this into the pad also. So I will remove from charging area. So I have, this is the dock. So if you see here, then is a white light is blinking on it top side. So we have plugged this device with this adapter. So we have to sideway we have an adapter. So if you see, there is a more settings on here. So if you see, the equipment is automatically started and it's running. So let's keep the aside. So if you see this, there is a charging dock and everything. This is these specifications, how much rating and everything. So let's keep this place. So if you want to keep that product into its original position, right, so we have to click on home button. So if you click on home button, right, it should go to the its original place. So let's see whether it can go to the original place or not. So I have selected on home button. So it's blinking. Okay, first time we will place it in this place. So I will show you about this. If you see, we should not place this in downward direction. So we have strictly explained about this. So we have removed two particles. So like these gaps they have filled with this small kind of product. So they have told that remove before use. So we have installed the this if you see here, so the brush I can rotate or not, I don't know, but I will try. So yeah, so this is the brush model. So this is they have given two sets, so one is for spare also they have given. So whatever the dust particles it will collect here. So this is also we can remove by pressing these two, if you see. So this is the mop, so we can remove by pressing downside these two pins, so it will easily be removable. So it's going downwards direction also, two sides. So front one we have wheel, so which has a 365 degrees rotation. So let's place this dock in position to its original position. So I have placed the correct position only. So it's like it's movable, so it's good. So if you it's breathing yellow color means it is charging. So okay, this is the indication it's breathing model, so it's taking some time. So like that we have so many light indications. It has yellow color, it's breathing yellow, like now it's charging. So if blinking red color, then it should be some error is there. So slowly blinking white color, then it should be telling that waiting for network configuration. Blinking white means it's telling that Wi-Fi not connected. So breathing white means it's turning on or updating firmware versions. So only white color it's state means then it's turn on, working fine normally or fully charged, like Wi-Fi connected. So these are the indications. So before you see it's yellow color, so we can change this pads if you want, so for cleaning and sometimes. So this is the dust collector, so I explained. So I will show you. So we have to take a phone and we need to install a app also. So it's like Xiaomi Home, its name as. So if you see here it's showing Xiaomi Home, so we need to install this. So from this we can easily connect these devices, whatever may be devices. So for this we need to have a Wi-Fi connection which has a 2.4 gigahertz only. So we have unboxed the Wi-Fi network also. So in that we have two options like 5 gigahertz and 2.5 gigahertz. So we have two options, so we have to select correspondingly. So we have to select only 2.5 gigahertz network only, we should not use that one 5 gigahertz. So as like it's telling that we should not use dust collector after cleaning with water or something like that. So we should be in dry condition only. So if you someone want to move the particles, like if you want to move your kids and move some items, so you should not use this as a carrier. So they have strictly explained about that. So we need to be more careful on about this. So it's we cannot place it at high temperature areas also. It has a batteries inside this, so we should have to be more careful also. So I have shown in the unboxing video previously. So from there we can find out this about this unboxing. So they have given two spare parts, right? So like the brush model. So if once damaged means, then you can use this one also. So we have to buy this online again if something is damaged, both have been damaged. So let's open quickly about this app also. So it's installing state only, yeah, it's fine. So let's discuss about the manual. So they have given so many steps to connect and devices modes. So if you see here, so they have given some issues and how to resolve those issues. So you can go through this and you can find out so many resolutions. So instead of waiting for the MI team has to come and resolve the issue. So like that. So if you have to open this and we need to connect these devices. So how to connect? So before that it's showing that we need to accept the terms and conditions and user experience program. So also we have to agree. So from which country we are from, it has to be selected here. So India is as it's automatically selected. So what's new in my home? So this select all. So we have given the access to the device. So if you want to connect to this, right? So we have to use some login credentials. So we will use like that. So after that we need to press these two buttons, okay? So which is here home button and power on and off button for 3 seconds. So if you click like that, then it will be going to mode of Wi-Fi connection mode, so we have to connect. So while connecting to the sign up process, it is asking for the country also. We need to sign up with our country, so we have to provide our country name also. So we have given, so we have to create a separate account. So we have created a separate account in my home. So once if device is added already in my mobile, so we have to share that with this new device, so then they can easily understand. So otherwise, if you have to click on add device, and we have to turn on the Bluetooth, so we will turn on the Bluetooth also. So it's showing that we have to accept this. Let's quickly can turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, it's turned on. So next is like so we have to find for the MI router, so we have to click on this. So it is showing that we have to click these two buttons for 3 seconds. So if it's done, then we have to click on next button. It's scanning the device, so whatever the device is there, so we have to connect to the 2.5 gigahertz router only, so then only it will show. So once the device is connected, then I will show you how it is connected. If you see here guys, so already one device is activated the setup process. So if you want to share with your friends or some other devices, so you have to share the device, so it will give as a notification like this. So we have to accept here. So how to means you have to select this mop, and so if you see it's loading. Yeah, so until this part it has been scanned just now, you seen, right? So in that area, so if you go her downside, right, you have to share this mop also. You have option to share this with friends. So remote control, looking for the vacuum device label, setup area, and remember map. So whoever the given the this setup process, right, they have access to share that icon. So here and downside, so we have to select. So if you see here downside, right, DND mode has been enabled like that they are telling. So there is a DND mode, so it will going to not schedule. So whatever the schedules you have, right, so it should not be going to activate the schedule. So it should be charged at night time, it has to start. So if it's started with the DND activation, then it should not do like that. Schedules will be not going to do. So if you see here, there is options like which type of vacuums you want now. So just vacuum or vacuum and mop, and only mop, so we want to clean. So here if you see standard or medium or turbo, so if you want silent also, you can click on silent. So if you have water quantity is low, medium, high also, you can select here. So if you want to start, then you have to click on the start button, so it will going to scan all the devices. If you want to charge this device, then you have to activate the stand device. So DND has been activated, so we have to deactivate it, so it will start. So if you see this product, right, so like this you have to do. So if you like this video, please like and share the video, and it's a great help for us if you subscribe to our channel as well. So thanks friends. So if you want to see the how this working in real life, so I will show in another video. Please watch our YouTube channel. Thank you.